Hello, everyone, and welcome to our another episode about LinkedIn. I'm Marie, the CEO and founder of Mario Olivi Ltd, the leadership transformational company for leaders, founders, and entrepreneurs who wants to upgrade their personal brand, rewire their brain, and also wants to know more about the wealth strategy. Today, in this episode, we will be speaking about how can LinkedIn networking strategies be used to connect with the industry leaders and recruiters. So, LinkedIn is more than just digital resume. I guess that if you are looking for this kind of episode that you are currently listening to, you already agree with this. It's a networking powerhouse where you can connect with decision makers, industry leaders, and recruiters who can open doors to your next big opportunity. If you want to get noticed by recruiters or simply build meaningful connections with leaders in your field, you need a strategy, not just random connection request. Let's then look at it how you can do so. So, who should use LinkedIn networking strategies? So, anyone looking to get job referrals, land interview with top companies, big build industry credibility, and the last but not least, attract collaboration or mentorship opportunities. From job seekers to business owners like me and maybe you, strategic networking can take you from invisible to irresistible on LinkedIn. Steps to connect with recruiters and industry leaders on the LinkedIn can be, for example, that you optimize your profile first. So you can see here my profile. You can use it as the template. You can also take inspiration from me. And before reaching out, make sure your LinkedIn profile is complete, updated, and aligned with your goals. Think of it as your first impression. It's no longer resume, it's a landing page. The second is use the search and filter tools. Search for job titles like, for example, I don't know, web developer, for example, talent acquisition manager, or the specific role you are interested in. Use filters such as location, company, or also industry. So you can really navigate here much bigger and more specific things that you are actually looking for, which is very much useful, especially for this, for the people who look for a job. I think that most of us were at that position. The third is follow before you connect. This warms up the algorithm and shows up in their notifications. You can also engage with their post first. So usually people don't like if you just appear in their network without actually knowing who you are, what you are doing. So really try to warm up your connections. The next one is send a personalized connection request. So keep it short and relevant. Mention, for example, mutual interest, recent content they shared, or why you even admire their work. So definitely go to my profile and connect with me. Write me that you're coming from this episode. And then I will know what you are looking for, and I will be able to navigate then content that is interesting for you. Engage with their content consistently, communicating because if you are actually communicating on the posts that the people are actually posting, you will be on the top of their mind. So this is really important with also leads. So if you are interested in how actually to do the export of your leads, and your leads then follow the before episode where I was speaking about the leads, it's called can I export LinkedIn searches to Excel? So definitely take a look there how to actually organize your leads, because this one, the engagement one, is really important. And the last from the steps to connect with actually the industry leaders is that you should send value-based follow-up messages. So don't pitch, instead ask questions or share something relevant to their work. Build the relationship first. So really add something to the person. Don't just drop the copy paste pitch that you have for everybody. Let me also tell you four of the best practices. So, the first, focus on building relationships, not just chasing just job offers. Second, be consistent with engagement. Daily interaction goes a long way. Third, keep your messages clear, polite, and professional. LinkedIn has really strong policy, so if you get reported few times, you are out. And the fourth is use LinkedIn features like hashtags, newsletters, and content creation to boost visibility and authority. On the other side, you should also avoid these four mistakes. So the first one is sending blank or generic connection request. This usually ignored. The second is that you are asking for a job in the first message. This is not really like transactional, so avoid this. First, build a connection, then ask for the job. The third is ignoring your own profile. If it's outdated or incomplete, people won't take your message seriously. You really have to build the credibility on LinkedIn. And the last is not tracking who you are reaching out to stay organized and intentional. So you should have some kind of organization in your leads and what you are exactly doing and have some kind of strategy. The most effective LinkedIn networking isn't about members, it's about intentional relationships. Recruiters and industry leaders are more likely to respond when they see the authenticity, preparation, and the value. So keep this in mind. And that's it. This is all from today's episode about how can LinkedIn networking strategies be used to connect with industry leaders and recruiters. I'm Marie, the CEO and founder of Mario Levy Ltd. And if you want to know more about articles and tips and tricks from LinkedIn and beyond, go to mariolevy.com and click on articles, because here I have a really big archive of all of my tips. You can also use the filters, and I'm adding a new article daily. So I will be really looking forward to see you here soon. Bye.